If you're looking for a budget phone that doesn't feel budget, the Samsung Galaxy A26 5G might just be the one. 120Hz display, 50 megapixel camera, big battery, but is it really worth your money? I've been using it for a while now and I have thoughts, so let's get right into it. First up, design. Samsung is keeping things quite simple but stylish. The A26 sports a glass-like finish, slim profile at just 7.7mm and even has IP67 water and dust resistance, which is rare for this price point. It feels solid in the hand, but of course, it's not flagship premium. No fancy aluminium sides, just good old plastic. But hey, durability is over everything, right? The display is actually one of the highlights here. Samsung gave the Galaxy A26 a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, which means scrolling basically just feels battery smooth. Colors pop and outdoor visibility is solid. Compared to some LCD displays in this price range, this is a clear win. Now let's talk performance. The Galaxy A26 is powered by the Exynos 1380 chipset, a mid-range processor that can handle everyday tasks like a champ. Social media, YouTube, even light gaming, no problem. But if you're expecting flagship level performance, then hold your horses, because heavier games like Genshin Impact do struggle on high settings. You get 6GB or 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of storage, plus support for a micro SD slot. Just not really bad for a power user. Okay, let's talk about the cameras. We've got a 50 megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, an 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro sensor. Daytime shots crisp, vibrant and detailed. Low light shots, thanks to the optical image stabilization, it does better than most budget phones, but you still get some noise. And the 8 megapixel ultra wide is decent, though not the best in class, and the 2 megapixel macro, let's be honest, it's just there to make up the numbers. The 13 megapixel front camera is great for selfies but struggles a bit in low light. Video recording maxes out at 4K 30fps, and with optical image stabilization is one of the best on such a mid-range device. Battery life on here is 5000 mAh battery capacity, which translates to the fact that I went a full day of usage, maybe more, without having to charge it anymore. And Samsung claims that you can get up to 2 days on light usage, so I'm still testing it out, and honestly, it looks like it checks out. There's a 25 watts fast charging here, which is quite decent, and you just need to keep in mind that you're not getting a charger in the box. You'd have to buy a charger head separately because it comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable only in the box, which might be quite annoying. Let's look at the software and AI features. The Samsung Galaxy A26 comes with Android 15 and One UI 7, meaning you get a clean, customizable, and smooth user experience, with Samsung flexing its AI in there. It's basically flexing the muscles with features like Object Eraser, AI enhanced photo editing, and better call transcription, which are all here. Oh, and 6 years of updates, which is a massive win for longevity. And with the pricing and my final verdict, the Galaxy A26 starts at around $299 USD, which should be anywhere around 3,000 to 4,000 cedis, which puts it in direct competition with the likes of the Redmi Note 12 Pro and the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite. Is it worth it? If you want a gorgeous display, solid battery, and long-term software support, absolutely. But if you're after the fastest processor or best low light camera, you might want to look elsewhere. So, what do you think? Would you buy the Samsung Galaxy A26? Just drop your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And as always, we go talk more, Charlie.